An 18-hour live streaming YouTube official Star Wars event will be held on Thursday, September 3rd, and take place in 15 cities and 12 countries. The broadcast will include unboxings and give a sneak peek of a bunch of new Star Wars merchandise. The first unboxing will take place in Sydney, Australia at 7:45 a.m. local time, and the grand finale will take place in San Francisco at 8 a.m. local time. And here's a breakdown of all the times and locations. I'll post this list in the comment section below as well. You may recognize many of the maker talent names. Chris Perillo, a friend of the HelloGreedo YouTube channel, will be a part of the grand finale. And with that being said, Chris, the HelloGreedo army is super happy for you, dude. We'll definitely all be watching. If you guys are planning on watching certain events, make sure you figure out the correct time for your region. It can be very confusing, at least for a dummy like me, to juggle a bunch of different time zones and try to figure it all out. So make sure you check out the chart and do the calculations for your area. And then following the live stream on the next day, Friday, September 4th, an event called Force Friday will take place. Retailers around the world will open their doors at midnight, giving fans the opportunity to pick up new Force Awakens merchandise. Select Target, Disney stores, and Toys R Us retail stores are among the retailers opening up at midnight. So, do you plan on running up to your local store and trying to pick up an item? If so, what do you think you'll grab? For me, honestly, the only thing I want is a Black Series First Order Trooper. But I'm not gonna go at midnight. I've worked retail. I'm sympathetic. Let me know what collectibles and toys you guys are planning on picking up in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, everyone. HelloGreedo, out.
Always with you, what cannot be done.